Hey y'all, I'd now like to speak to you about diarrhea. No, we're talking about seasoning. A couple nights ago I cooked some yummy fish and the griddle was nasty, so I scraped it down with the heavy duty scraper and then I oiled it and went about my business. But I scraped off too much of the seasoning and foods have been sticking, so we're doing a little bit of reseasoning. This is my first coat. I got it turned up nice and hot where it started smoking a little, and I threw some oil on, and now you see it smoking. We're going to let that smoke dissipate, which will take maybe 10 minutes or so. Although it's really hot today, it may take 5 minutes. Once that dissipates, I'll put another coat on and go through the same thing again. And we'll go from there. I may need to do it 3 or 4 times just to get the full coat of seasoning back. 2 times might do it. You see my griddle tops. The changing of colors and a little bit of rusty, uncoated, unseasoned spots are showing up. That's a good sign it was time to reseason. So, yeah, that's how we season our grill, season our griddle, season our griddle. That's the way we season our griddle so early in the morning. I know, that's silly. I'm sorry. I'm ashamed. Anyway, hope this helps you with your seasoning and or griddling and or you just needed to kill a minute or 2 by watching this. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye!